Myth 1. You need huge amounts of protein to build muscle. Fact. While protein is essential for muscle growth, more isn't always better. Research shows that optimal protein intake for muscle gain is about 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day, which varies based on individual activity levels and goals. Excess protein doesn't necessarily result in additional muscle gain. Instead, it may be stored as fat or excreted from the body. Proper protein timing, alongside resistance training and overall calorie intake, is more critical than just consuming large amounts. Myth 2. Plant-based proteins are inferior to animal proteins. Fact. Plant-based proteins can absolutely provide the protein necessary for muscle growth, weight management, and overall health. Although animal proteins are considered complete, they contain all 9 essential amino acids. Plant proteins can also meet these needs if combined correctly. For example, combining legumes with grains, like rice and beans, provides a complete amino acid profile. Many athletes, including bodybuilders, successfully build muscle on plant-based diets. Additionally, plant-based proteins are linked with other health benefits, like improved heart health and reduced inflammation. Myth 3. Protein supplements are necessary for optimal results. Fact. Protein powders and supplements are convenient, but aren't a necessity for everyone. Many people can meet their protein requirements through whole foods like chicken, fish, eggs, beans, and dairy. Protein supplements can be helpful for those who struggle to get enough protein due to dietary restrictions or a busy lifestyle. However, focusing on whole. Myth 4. High-protein diets are dangerous for the kidneys. Fact. For healthy individuals, high-protein diets are generally safe and do not damage the kidneys. The concern typically arises from research on people with pre-existing kidney issues, as a high-protein diet can worsen their condition. However, for those with normal kidney function, a higher protein intake has not been shown to cause harm. Drinking adequate water to help filter protein byproducts and consulting a healthcare provider if you have kidney concerns is advisable. Foods ensures a broader range of nutrients, such as fiber, vitamins, and minerals, which are typically missing from protein powders. Supplements should complement, not replace, a balanced diet. Myth 5. You must eat protein immediately after a workout. Fact. While it's beneficial to consume protein after exercise, research has shown that there's no strict anabolic window that closes immediately after a workout. Instead, the post-workout window might extend over several hours. Consuming protein within 1 to 2 hours after a workout is effective for muscle repair and growth. But if you had a protein-rich meal before your workout, your muscles likely still have amino acids available for recovery. Consistency with daily protein intake is more important than the precise timing. Myth 6. More protein means more energy. Fact. Protein isn't the body's primary energy source. Carbohydrates and fats are. Protein has specific roles in tissue repair, muscle synthesis, and hormone production. Although the body can convert protein to energy, this process is inefficient and not the body's first choice. If someone is low on carbs and fat, the body may break down muscle for energy. Balanced intake of carbs, fats, and protein supports energy needs, muscle maintenance, and overall health. Myth 7. Older adults don't need as much protein. Fact. As people age, they often need more protein to help counteract the natural muscle loss that occurs with aging, sarcopenia. Higher protein intake, combined with resistance training, is beneficial for maintaining muscle mass, strength, and function in older adults, helping them to stay active and independent longer. Consuming 1.0 to 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day is often recommended for older adults, although individual needs can vary. Myth 8. All proteins are the same. Fact. Proteins vary in quality, digestibility, and amino acid profile. Animal proteins are complete, meaning they contain all essential amino acids in the right ratios, whereas many plant proteins are incomplete. Additionally, some proteins, like whey, are digested faster, making them beneficial for post-workout recovery, while others like casein digest more slowly, providing sustained amino acid release. Even within plant-based sources, some are more nutrient-dense, like lentils and chickpeas, compared to less nutrient-rich sources like potato protein. Myth 9. High-protein diets cause bone loss. Fact, this myth originates from the idea that protein, particularly from animal sources, increases the acid load in the body, potentially leading to calcium leaching from bones. However, studies indicate that a higher protein intake, especially when paired with calcium and vitamin D, is beneficial for bone health and can actually help prevent fractures in older adults. Protein supports muscle health, which is crucial for protecting bones. Myth 10. You can't get enough protein on a vegetarian or vegan diet. Fact, many plant-based foods are rich in protein, including beans, lentils, quinoa, tofu, tempeh, and chickpeas. By consuming a variety of these foods throughout the day, it's entirely possible to meet and even exceed protein requirements on a vegan or vegetarian diet. Combining different plant proteins can provide a complete amino acid profile, and the rising availability of vegan protein powders has made it even easier to ensure sufficient intake for those with higher needs. Myth 11. Protein causes weight gain. Fact, protein itself doesn't directly cause weight gain. Rather, consuming more calories than you burn leads to weight gain, regardless of the macronutrient source. Protein is highly satiating, meaning it can help with appetite control, and it requires more energy to digest compared to carbs or fats. High-protein diets have been shown to support weight loss and maintenance when paired with an overall calorie-controlled diet. Protein helps preserve muscle mass during weight loss, which is beneficial for maintaining a healthy metabolism. Protein is a vital nutrient, with many myths surrounding its role in fitness, health, and diet. Understanding the facts about protein helps tailor its intake to individual goals, age, activity level, and dietary preferences.